Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Verify you're on Windows 10 and signed into an administrator account. Open Start, type CMD, and run as administrator. This gives the elevated access required. Once done, inspect the desktop watermark that says Test Mode and note any driver or certificate names shown, because that guides our next commands. Make sure to keep a second device or phone handy for copying commands if needed, and pause only to confirm your admin privileges. Then proceed to enter the commands I'll give you. Now you execute the core fix. In the elevated CMD run bcdedit / set test signing OFF and press enter, this flips the boot configuration flag. Next, restart Windows to let the change apply, because boot flags only clear on reboot. Once restarted, if the watermark remains, use Device Manager to identify unsigned drivers and update, rollback, or uninstall them. Also run sfc/scano to repair system files. If a specific driver keeps forcing test signing, remove or replace it with a signed version. Then reboot again. Finish by confirming the watermark is gone and run msinfo32 to verify the OS is not in test mode, because that tells you the change stuck. Reinstall drivers from official, signed packages if any device misbehaves. Make sure driver packages match your OS build. If test mode persists, boot into safe mode and remove the offending unsigned driver or use Device Manager to disable it. This is the key troubleshooting tip. Once removed, reboot normally. You should now be out of test mode and back to standard, signed drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.